Hello friends and viewers, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. I am your IELTS trainer. How are you? In today's video, we are going to talk regarding describe a good decision you have made recently. 13 number क्यों काढ़े अपने को good decision ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ recently ਕੀਤਾ when it was ਕਦੋਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹ when you made it ਕਿਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਇਹ ਹੋਊਗਾ what it was what the results was result ਕੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਤੇ ਹਾਊ ਯੂ ਫੈਲਟ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਇਟ ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੀਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਤੇ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਲਿਆ ਆ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਲੰਟਰੀ ਵਰਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਐਕੈਡੈਮਿਕ ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋ ਐਜ਼ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਆਫ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਆਫ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨਸ ਅਲੋਂਗ ਵਿਦ ਦਿਸ I had great knowledge of how to provide hygiene to the people, therefore I did this work. मतलब मैनू की ब्रिलियंट अपॉर्चुनिटी सीगी मैं ब्रिलियंट डिसीजन लिया रीसेंटली करोना वायरस के विच जो कि वलंटरी वर्क मैं असिस्ट करना चाहती सी पीपल नू बाय प्रोवाइडिंग माई ओन सर्विसिज जो कि मैनू हैल्थ केयर असिस्टेंस दे सकती सी नाल दी नाल मैं उन्होंने इन्फॉर्मेशन दी भी वो हाइजीन किवें कर सकते हैं तो फूड तो उन्होंने रॉ फूड भी उन्होंने आइटम्स असी प्रोवाइड करते होंगे सी वी यूज़ टू गो देयर इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम इन द नीयर विलेजेस एंड कम फ्रॉम देयर आफ्टर हैविंग द डार्क तो रिजल्ट की सीगे ओवरवैलमिंग रिजल्ट सीगे मैं इंटरनल सैटिस्फैक्शन मैनू होई मैनू पीपल ब्लैसिंग्स देंदे सीगे बिकॉज आई नो दैट आफ्टर हैविंग द अलॉट ऑफ ब्लैसिंग वी कैन सक्सीड इन एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग किसी भी चीज़ जो सक्सीड कर सकते सक्सैस हासिल कर सकते हैं देयरफॉर भी मेरा ये डिसीजन लिया सीगा ते मैनू ये बहुत वधिया रिजल्ट मिले तो फ्यूचर भी जे मैनू अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलूगी इदा कुछ करन दी आई विल टेक दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी आई विल ग्रैब दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क बिकॉज फॉर mankind I want to do for so many things as I am able to serve people with my services this is a great opportunity for me ਆਪਾਂ start ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ well I've made so many brilliant decisions in my whole life since my childhood to the till date but a decision which I have made recently in this corona epidemic was to volunteer in the villages for providing the services to the people who are affected by the coronavirus and who are living in nearby towns and they do not have the facilities to go out to they do not have the privilege to go out to purchase any kind of the food item along with having the medicines which are required in this epidemic condition as the people who are living in my nearby villages they are generally old age they are very prone they are very vulnerable to have this virus in their body if they go out or if they step out from their houses therefore I made this decision I help the people by cooperating with the organization which was doing a voluntary work in my area as I got a message one day on my mobile phone that we are requiring the volunteers for doing the help for the community for the destitute people and after that I called them and got my appointment where I had an interview. After passing that interview, I was selected as a volunteer worker. First of all, I help the people with providing the knowledge regarding the healthcare problems and the medicines which they can use in this case of epidemic for improving their immunity system. As I have 2 years of experience as a pharmacist, along with this, I provided them information regarding how to maintain the hygiene of their body like how they can wash their hands and how they can sanitize their clothes and how they can maintain the cleanness of their body by having the sanitizer. I gave them information I gave them knowledge regarding which type of food they can use in this epidemic like citrus foods which are enriched in vitamin C by which their body can have the strength to fight with these kind of diseases. Moreover, we used to provide them food and raw food items by which they can prepare food in their homes, as the people who belong to the destitute families, they didn't have any kind of income during that time. Therefore, they were unable to purchase the food item from the shops, and this organization helped them to provide the food, to provide them services of the food. After helping those people, when I used to receive the blessings from them, I used to feel like that I have done a good deed. The result of this was overwhelming, and I also felt a sense of internal satisfaction, sense of internal confidence that I have did something for the sake of community, for the sake of helping the people. And if I get a chance in the future, I will also do this kind of work in the future. So this was a work which I have done in my past few days, and whenever I face these people in front of me having smile on their faces, it provides me the sense of satisfaction, sense of happiness which I haven't received before this. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਹੈ ਗੁੱਡ ਡਿਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿਆ ਰੀਸੈਂਟਲੀ। ਇਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਇਹੀ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੋਈ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ। ਤੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨਾਲ, ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਵੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ। ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर गिविंग मी योर प्रीशियस टाइम एंड हैव अ नाइस डे गाइज।